अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं द given is AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. Point P is such that PA is equal to PB. PA is equal to PB, and we can prove it to prove the point is on the right bisector of AB. Means P is on the point LN, which is the right bisector of line segment AB. Right bisector means they are the same length, means 90, and AC is equal to BC, and we prove it. AC is equal to BC. Let's start. And first construction. Join P to C, the point of AB. This is the AB, and midpoint, which is C. Join P to C. Now same proof. One side is statement and other side is reason. So we have the two triangles which are triangle ACP, and we comparison it with the other triangle BCP. In this, PA is equal to PB, and they are given in and next is PC is equal to PC, which is common, and AC is equal to BC, which we find in the construction. So the triangle ACP is equal to triangle BCP, and the reason is the three sides. When three sides of a triangle are equal, the triangles are equal. SSS stands for side, side, side. The three sides of one triangle is equal to the three sides of the other triangle. Hence, the two triangles are equal. Now we further solve that LM is the bisector of AB. Here, angle ACP is equal to angle BCP. We know that when two triangles are equal, their all sides and all angles are equal. So one side of triangle mean ACP, the other triangle of BCP, the angle BCP, they are equal, and hence angle ACP plus angle BCP is equal to 180. Mean both the angles are 180 because they are equal. So angle ACP is equal to angle BCP is equal to angle 90. Therefore, when two lines they have the angle 90, so they are bisect each other. Bisect mean they divided the line equally. Therefore, PC is perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular mean that there is 90 angle between PC and AB. Sorry, AB. PC is perpendicular to AB. And we also call CA is equal to CP. The AB line segment is divided into two sides, AC and BC. So PC is the right bisector of AB. Therefore, point P is on the right bisector of AB, and hence the theorem.